Create your own free private server in Roblox. So the first step is to simply open up your Roblox application, and once your Roblox application fires up, you can see a following interface like this. Now simply choose that particular game in which you want to create your own private server. So let's choose this particular game, that is the avatar creator, and then you will need to scroll down, and from here you need to click onto the servers, and then under servers you will see a list of the different types or the available servers which are present for this particular game. So simply wait for all of the servers to load, and then I will be showing you the next steps. So you can see once it load, it says this experience does not support private servers. So this means we cannot have a private server in this game. So let's try on and move on to a different game and see how we can get a free private server. So let's say for example this particular game, let's scroll down again and click onto the servers option, and let us know if we get a free server or not. So it is currently loading, and once the loading has been completed, we will get an option to create a free server if this particular games allow us to do the same. And now you can see private server, the price is free. So now what you can do is simply click on this create private server, and then you can have your own server name, and then once you have defined your server name, you can click onto this buy now button, and then you can see this says purchase complete. You can choose to customize it or skip the same as well, and your new free private server will be created. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.